start with the superclass Gnathostomata after having the general introduction of the group and knowing the significance of their evolutionary advancements. Right, so let's start with the classification and type of the animals present in Gnathostomata. So before that, we see the general characteristics. As we know that they are jawed fish, and that makes it possible for them to crack nuts, rip off the sections of the meat, and crop the grasses. So it means that the presence of the jaw not only made them predatory in their lifestyle, but they also enlarged the range of the foods available for the fish in the aquatic environment. See, in the filter feeders, they had to rely on the smaller organisms like planktons or microorganisms uh, to get all the energy they require. But now, because they have jaw and the teeth, they can tear off the larger type of the foods, and they can feed on the hard nuts or plant tissues present in the aquatic environment. So it has enlarged the type of the foods available in the aquatic environment, and hence they are diversified now. And now in the modern day fishes with the jaws and fins, you will see them spread out in the larger habitats. One of you was commenting on this point that earlier the animals had to live in the shallow waters or near the ocean floors, because those were the areas where they could find their food and habitats. But now they can move in the deeper waters and in the various environments, because there are different types of the foods available, and they have evolved to feed on them. And then later on in this along this group, and then we come forward to the terrestrial animals, we will see that how these teeth and the jaws get evolved to perform different functions, including poison injections in the snakes, or different types of the teeth to perform different functions, chewing, tearing, etc. in mammals.